This is the Honda 3-shaft case, and the problem we have with this is that the bearings tend to get loose in the case. Let me show you the center one first. It's normally on a plane running this way across the bearing. Double row ball bearing gets loose in the case. Both of these bearings have unsatisfactory amount of wear to the case, and the case is bad. Up until now there's been no repair. Omega Machine has developed sleeves to restore the fit on this case, which saves a valuable case.